Hey y'all, so in today's video, just want to show you what I got at Sephora. Anyway, so I only got 3 things. The only things I got was I re-upped on my Fenty Pro Filt'r powder in the shade Coffee. This is the powder I use all over my face. I got my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. The last thing that I got, which was the main reason I went, was for the Urban Decay foundation. The Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. There was no reason in getting this. I saw the bottle. It was cute shape. And I swatched it. I was like, I want it. I need it. I love it for me. When we went to go check out, they gave me this tote. It was like a cute little tote. Can you see it? My bag, y'all. My bag. My bag. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cooperate. So the main purpose of this video is to just try out the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. But I was like, oh, it's going to kind of be a short video. So why not just attempt to do eyeshadow again? I'm a little nervous. I already swatched some colors. I am most likely gonna just speed this part up because who am I teaching? Nobody. I forgot that I uploaded today, and now I'm waiting for my video to upload. So I had to stop using my computer as my monitor, and now I gotta use my viewfinder. I hope this looks good. If not, I'm gonna be furious. Okay. Anyway, so my eyes look decent. I'm gonna move on to my face. The whole purpose of this video. I'm gonna go with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I already used it in my last video. Okay. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r powder in the shade Coffee to set my primer just on like my nose, because that's the only place that wanna try me. The Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. Up to 24-hour wear. I don't know who's wearing this for 24 hours, but that is not my spirit. But if you do, let me know how that goes. I guess. I don't know. It says, flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, waterproof, vegan formula, does not contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. I got the shade 80CG. So far, all right. Let's see you, Urban. Urbina. Okay. Did I actually pick a good shade? My power. Beyonce said it. You'll never take my power. Losers. Anyway, not you. You're not a loser. Oh my god. Is this gonna be one of my things? Wow. I like it. I like the shade. I did good. Now what I'm gonna do, the rest of my face. But oh, okay. The video that I'm trying to upload now is the Shop Missy video. And in that video, like I said, I bought 2 sponges. Already used one. I'm going to use the second sponge and the second pair of lashes. I forgot. I can't even talk. I forgot to press record. Which is a good thing. You didn't see me poke myself in the eye with the mascara wand. Hate myself. Where did I leave off? I don't even remember. I think I already showed y'all that I sprayed my face with some setting spray. My lashes are applied. I applied some lip liner and some lipstick. And that's where we're at. I like this, but I kind of want to do a glossy lip. These look good. I like this foundation. I should probably fix my hair instead of talk to y'all. Looking like this. In my mid-tail. Pray for me that this looks good.
No, 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 no.
I look like Al Sharpton. Look at God. I look like Al damn Sharpton. Please ignore my hair. Try some new products and you can take this back. Anyway, but so all the things that I bought, I like. The Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation and the shade Coffee. I used that all over my face. I just bought a second one because I'm running low on my first one. And then the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I already used it, loved it. And then the, ooh, my skin looks good. Wow. Wow. The skin looks good. But the Urban Decay Stay Naked Liquid Foundation. I like this foundation. My skin looks good. Like it says it's matte, but it don't look matte to me. It doesn't feel matte. It's very lightweight. This shade is nice. This is a good shade for me. Look at that. My hair not even. It's not even moving. Anyway, but this shade is really nice. I think it's not too bad. I think it looks good. This is so soft. I like it. It's not as soft as my Real Technique sponge, but I will say they're like neck and neck. But like, I'm pretty sure they shaped it after the Real Technique sponge. But this is super soft. I like it. And then I bought 2 pairs of lashes, and I used Lydia in the last video, and now I'm wearing Jean. I like these lashes. These lashes are cute. They're like fluttery. These are cute. I really like these. I feel cute. I look cute. I know, not my hair at the moment, but mind your business. Thank you. This is the look that I've got. I'm gonna try to come back on here later in the video to show you how it looks after a few hours. But if not, my bad. I already like it. But yeah. If anything drastic changes, like it breaks down on me or something, then I'll come back and say something. I like it. I like it. I hate my hair though. Self-conscious. Self-conscious. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.